Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we're gonna talk about should you buy the Redmi 4X or not? Coming right up. The Redmi 4X actually is not a bad phone. Performance-wise, it is actually quite surprising, and so far I didn't experience any lag. But I do face some issue, which is the overheating issue, and on standby. Sometimes I put it on my pocket and well, it heats up very well. I have no idea. Sometimes it's just like, why is my pocket so hot? Then I bring it up as my phone is overheating. And maybe it's just my phone, or maybe there's people who's using it out there facing the same issue. I'm not sure, but overall it's a really great performance phone. If you're planning to buy this, actually it's not a bad idea, but you'll be facing heating up issue, which is, well, it will cause explosion. Anyhow, not bad. Performance wise are great. There's a lot of pros for this. Camera, I don't really suggest it. It is not that good. The image is kind of grainy, dull, and quite noisy, but for day-to-day use and maybe just for heavy games and other stuff, overall it's a pretty great phone. I think that's it. I hope this will help you guys, and bye!